and Vlogmas day, whatever the Vlogmas day is today, y'all. I'm so sorry. I don't know what Vlogmas day this is because I don't know what day I'm going to be putting this out on. So with further ado, we're going to get right into this video. Now, this is like a DIY project I thought of. Hopefully this works out, you guys. But I'm using this Dollar Tree tape here, as you see, with these posters to try to make a backdrop. Now, y'all might be like, what in the heck? But you guys, I really honestly think it's gonna work. We're gonna see. Hopefully I have enough tape to use. So I done got hair all on it, but hopefully this works. We're gonna see. Yeah, I'm sorry, I got hair. I need to vacuum hair so bad, but let's see if this works. And yes, I am sitting on the floor. Let me fix the camera. Yes, I am sitting on the floor. So what I'm gonna do is this is supposed to be my backdrop. I ain't finished the other one, but this is what it's gonna be looking like. So you just stay tuned to see how it is in some of my videos, because I think I might have it in some of my videos. Who knows? We'll see what I use it for, but hey, it is what it is. I tried, y'all. I really did. I tried. Look at my backdrop. You guys, I don't know. This is like an epic fail. I tried. I don't know. I'm going to use it for something else, but definitely not a backdrop. I think it would have been cute. I don't know. I should have thought of something else. I'm just taking my butt to Hobby Lobby. Like I should have been there. Which I really don't need a backdrop because I got a nice background in my room already. But y'all, this is a mess. This is a mess. I can't believe I tried to do that.